We're working with Chris and team to reduce the time it takes to paint a single-story house. Our pain point is that it sometimes takes more than a day, causing delays to other jobs. We recorded how long it was taking to paint a single-story house, an average of 10.67 hours. Then, we set a target to reduce the time to less than 9 hours by June 30th. Now, we'll conduct a root cause analysis to answer why it sometimes takes more than a day to get the job done. A lean workshop analysis consists of a team brainstorm. When done right, the results of a brainstorm can be as good as statistical data gathering. Let's review some ground rules for brainstorming. First, have enough people involved in the brainstorm to provide a variety of different perspectives. The problem must be approached from many angles to truly grasp the real picture. This is like an old Indian parable about the blind men and the elephant. When the blind men encountered an elephant, they each gave a report from their perspective. The first thought it was a spear. The next, a snake, a rug, a tree, a rope, a wall. Together, they can agree that what they've really encountered is an elephant. Next, create an environment where all ideas are safe. During a brainstorm, there is no bad idea. In fact, it's often the off-the-wall ideas that stimulate creative thinking, eventually leading to a better understanding of the big picture. Ideas that really don't fit in will be filtered out later when the list is narrowed through voting. It's been said that Albert Einstein would sometimes drink with his friends and use the time of inebriation for creative thinking brainstorming. Then, with a clear mind the next day, he would review what was produced. Finally, continue pulling ideas from your team until there are none left. I've learned that a team will continue generating ideas after 3 or 4 times of thinking that they're done. Keep the conversation going, ask questions, pull ideas from your team until you're certain they have nothing left to say. Using the Lean Workshop root cause analysis file, start by stating the background for the group to see during the brainstorm. For Chris and team, it's painting single-story houses is frequently taking more than 1 day, causing delays to other jobs. Then we generate ideas. The team is asked to answer why it sometimes takes more than 1 day to paint a single-story house. After all ideas are exhausted, everyone votes to narrow the list to a few ideas. To determine how many votes each participant gets, divide the number of ideas by 5. This is called nominal group technique. Again, divide the number of ideas by 5 to determine how many votes each person gets. Now, tally the results. Simply click Import Top 5 Root Causes, and your list will be populated automatically. After pasting the list in the workshop, Chris is 1 step closer to improvement. His root causes are: the sprayers need frequent cleaning, crews ran out of prep supplies, paint was often not purchased until the same day, customers' obstacles were sometimes not moved ahead of the job, and weather sometimes slowed work.